Hello everyone, today we are learning the subject of circuit theory. In that we will see the numerical on the basis of the electrical network parameters. That is nothing but we will see here the symmetrical L section numerical. Okay, so what is that numerical? The symmetrical L section we will see here. Find the image and iterative impedance. Find the image and iterative impedance for the asymmetrical L section whose series arm impedance is 400 and shunt arm impedance is 600. Okay, so what we need to do here, we need to calculate the image impedance, we need to calculate the iterative impedance for the asymmetrical L section. So here simply we can say asymmetrical L section or L network. Okay, that we are doing. What is given here? Z1 is given, that is nothing but the 400 ohm. Other thing is nothing but Z2 is given 600 ohm. Two impedances are given and the symmetrical L section. So network will be like this. So here this is nothing but the 600 ohm, which is nothing but the Z2, whereas this is the 400 ohm, that is nothing but the Z1. This will be the 1 dash 2 dash. Okay, so this is the network of a symmetrical L section. How we can find the iterative impedance as well as the image impedances? So first we will start with the first thing, that is nothing but the iterative impedance. Iterative impedance can be calculated as two iterative impedance will be there. Okay, so one is at the input side or other is at the output port, you can say. So first is nothing but Z01 dash. Okay, can be calculated Z1 by 2 plus or minus root of Z1 square, which is this is the derived formula. So directly you can use this formula and you can calculate the parameter. So what is the Z1? 400 divided by 2 plus or minus root of, again the 400 square divided by 4 plus 400 into 600. So directly I will write here the answer, that is nothing but, if you do with the calci, you can cross verify this answer with by the calci. So 729.15 ohm will be the iterative impedance at the input port, that is nothing but Z01 dash. Similarly you can calculate for the other, that is nothing but Z02, that is a characteristics impedance at the input port and characteristics impedance at the output port, both the side. So Z02, how we can calculate? Same thing here. Okay, Z02 we can calculate here, same thing, that is nothing but the same value you can get but at the output side. So how we can get at the output side? Just simply minor change, that is nothing but Z1 by 2 plus or minus same formula, but see here this is the positive and this one is the negative. If you are looking from here will be positive, if you are looking from this side that will be the negative. So Z1 square divided by 4 into Z1 Z2, only the change is that minus 400 divided by 2 plus or minus root of 400 whole square divided by 4 plus 400 into 600. 400 into 600. So you will get as this term is nothing but 329.15 ohm if you do with the calci. So these two parameter you can calculate, that is nothing but iterative impedance. Last is nothing but the image impedances. Image impedance. Okay, so how we can calculate the image impedance at the input? That is a Zi. Zi is denoted as a image impedance at the first port, that is nothing but root of Z1 square plus Z1 Z2. So if you substitute the value, so what is that case? So here Z1 is nothing but 400 square plus 400 into 600. So you will get as 632.45 ohm and unit is ohm. Similarly the image impedance denoted by Zi, but at the from the opposite or second port. So Zi2 will be equals to Z1 Z2. The formula will be Z1 Z2 Z1 square plus Z1 Z2. So you will get as 400 into 600 divided by what we can say 400 square. Okay, here will be the, yes, here will be your root of, okay, so here will be the root of, I will take here the root, okay, root of 400 square plus 400 into 600, both are in the root, so you will get as the answer 379.47 ohm. So in short you can say we have calculated the two parameter. One is nothing but the iterative. See here, this is the formula of iterative at the first port. This is the iterative at the second port. Only the change in the plus or minus. Here the positive, here is the negative. Now the image impedance at the first port, image impedance at the second port. Here this is one is in the root. So likewise you can simplify this numerical, which is on the basis of your the asymmetrical L section. Okay, so we are interested to calculate the electrical network parameters of the asymmetrical L section.